Hi, this is Dipen Shah from the PCG research team at Kotak Securities. Talking about the IT sector, the sector has been in news for all the wrong reasons in the recent past. We have seen that prices of leading stocks like TCS and Infosys have come off in the last few trading sessions, and there are now increasing amount of concerns about the revenue growth for these companies going ahead. We have heard some negative comments or slightly cautious comments coming in from the leading companies in the sector, which indicate that the visibility for the revenue growth in the immediate term is slightly limited. What we understand is that this is largely because of the fact that decision making, while it is happening and while it has already happened and budgets have been already finalized, there is some uncertainty as far as the timing of the spends are concerned. What it means is that the discretionary spending which the companies do, that discretionary spending, there is no certainty as to what time it will happen. And since there is uncertainty on the spending by the clients or the timing of the spending, that is what is making the IT companies more cautious for the near term. But what we understand is that this has been the case since the last quarter. We have heard comments from Infosys that there could be delays in decision making and more importantly delays in the spends, and to that extent the uncertainty in the near term will be there. But now with one more company coming up with such cautious comments, the sentiment has been negative. What we understand is that with the improving scenario in the US and also in Europe, the longer term prospects for the sector continue to look good. We believe that demand, while there can be some delays, will continue to be good over the next year, and we believe that NASSCOM projections, what have already been given of 11 to 14% growth, the larger IT companies should be able to beat that growth rate. So to that extent, we are not overly negative from the sector on a medium to long term perspective, while there can be a range bound movement in the stock prices for these companies in the short term. We continue to maintain our preference for large companies like Infosys and TCS, and would recommend utilizing the recent falls to accumulate the stocks with a medium to long term perspective. As far as the mid caps go, we continue to maintain our positive view on NIIT Technologies and KPIT, largely because of the fact that these are focused companies and have adequate levers to protect their margins going ahead. Thank you very much.